You're about to watch the Pauly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Alright, so the ribs are in the Ninja. I got the meat side facing inside. I still have these in the bowl. I'll use it for something else, for something later. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in a cup of water, because I'm going to pressure cook this for about 20 minutes on high. To get a little bit of flavor, I'm going to put some of this Fago Rockin' Rye popping inside of there. Oh yeah. Yeah, Rockin' Rye. A little bit more. Now drink the rest. And then I'm just going to close this. Move that over there. Turn it on. Got to make sure this steam lock is closed. I'm going to put it on high. I'm going to do it for 20 minutes. Yeah, 20. I think 20. We'll go with that. Yeah, 20 minutes. I'm just doing this by the seat of my pants, folks. And start. So I have learned, and I never knew it before, but people here in Michigan, when they eat ribs, they like the meat to fall off the bone. Not me, but I am a real Michigander. Don't get me wrong there. I am a real Michigander. But I like the ribs to be tender. I like to see the meat receding off the bone, but I don't want to pick up a rib and have the meat fall off in my lap. Okay, so now I got the ribs back in there with the rub on there. And yes, I am using the Rockin Porkstar Chicken Pig. And I just ran out of it. I will be ordering more of that. Let's give this thing a shut down and do it again. Pressure high, 20 minutes. Start. The process begins again. When I shut it down, there was no pressure, so it was easy to open, no problem. Now we wait. No pressure. Why? What the hell's going on here? I have to check it out. I don't know if the ribs are sitting up a little too high, so I laid them down a little bit more. And I just closed it back up. Seems like it's sealed pretty good now. Hopefully we get some pressure cooking going on as soon as I close the steam release valve. This is turning into a bad luck cook. It's supposed to be about the easiest way you can make some barbecue ribs. And I'm failing myself. Okay, finally got a countdown going on. And in 20 minutes we'll take a look at these ribs. And we'll apply some barbecue sauce. It has already gone through the 20 minutes. We're gonna release the steam, turn that off. We'll wait for that steam to come out, and we'll take the ribs out, put the sauce on, then we'll put it back in here, and you'll see what I do next. There we go. Oh crap. Falling off the bones a little bit.
You're watching the Pauly Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
So here is the barbecue sauce I will use. I have used this before. I like it. It is sugar-free, and let's do this. That cap was on there so tight. Man, I almost pulled my arm off just trying to open it. I'm gonna shake that bottle up. We'll get some up on there. Very nice tools. ThermoWorks. Big Lou Barbecue and other things I like to do. He has a link on his channel where he shares these tools on there, and you get a discount if you use that link. I think it helps him a little bit too. But yeah. So what we're gonna do is get some sauce on here, and then I'll throw it back in the Ninja, believe it or not. And at about 400 degrees, do it for 15 minutes, but do it on air crisp setting. Kind of wing it like this, I guess. Let me see. Thing's falling apart like a leper. Got some residual barbecue stuff that I can scoop up. Just slap up on there. It's gonna be okay. It'll still be good. Close it back up. Turn it on. Oh, we're going halfway. We're gonna go steam crisp. I'm gonna do it 375. I ain't doing no 400. We're gonna do it 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. Let's do 12 minutes. Now it's got to preheat again. This does not have to be open, doesn't have to be closed. You don't have to do anything with it. But it's going to get a nice color on these ribs, unlike the pressure cooking mode that we were in. So the Ninja's almost done on this cycle. Gonna shut it off. We're gonna take a look at it, and we'll put some more sauce on. Maybe run it in there for a few minutes, just get some color on that sauce again. Look what we have. Okay, looking pretty good. Yeah, let me get them out. Hopefully they don't fall apart. You ever notice when you work with barbecue sauce, you tend to get it everywhere? Maybe it's the anxiety and excitement that makes one clumsy, makes one not be aware of his or her surroundings when applying the sauce. In here like that. Kind of like that. I don't know. Let's see. Close it back up. Put it back on that setting. Boom. Then I'm going to do about 4 minutes. But this time it's going to be at, let's do 375. Ready? Begin. It's already hot, so it's going to kick right into gear. The Ninja. She done. We'll turn it off. Take a look. Well, let me get these out of here. And we got a little diving board there. I think it looks good. It just it's not going to win any. It's not going to win any competitions. So here it is. Here's a piece I cut. Went to go pick it up, and the rib bone came right out. Oh well. It's a little ninja action. Oh look, there's a smoke ring. Just kidding. Let's give it a taste. Very nice. That chicken pig with that sugar-free barbecue sauce, pretty good. Pretty good stuff. G Hughes. What's G stand for? Good? G Hughes Smokehouse Sugar-Free Barbecue Sauce, sweet and spicy. Per serving, how many calories? 10. And it's good. 10 calories. It just goes down that much easier, folks. Now I know all those keto dogs out there are saying, hey man, you poured Faygo Pop in there. That's not keto ribs. I never said it was keto ribs. But it's pretty darn close. Plus I got that chicken pig on there. Got a little sugar in there too. Very good. The beauty of doing it this way in the Ninja is like hours apart. It took me less than an hour to cook that. If you're doing it on a smoker or whatever, yeah, it's gonna be a little bit, you're gonna have that little smokiness about it and all that, but this is a great way to cook it fast. And when you got a winter storm coming, why not? Little Ninja action never hurt anybody. Make some good ribs. Ain't gonna win no beauty contest, but man, them ribs are good. I need to floss my teeth. So until next time, remember, I'm Paulie. I'll see you all next time here on the Paulie Detmers channel.